Hi, I'm Callie Queen, and this is my mom, Jasmin. Welcome to the Ingles table. Cooking isn't just for grown-ups. As long as we're safe, responsible, and supervised in the kitchen, kids can work wonders. So today, we're going to show you how to make some amazing monkey bread. You've already been to Ingles and have all of our ingredients. Now, it's time to get cooking. Okay, we've got the stuff, and now we're ready to make monkey bites. I've got butter and some brown sugar.
And we have the oven preheating at 350. So while you're doing that, I'm going to slice up. We have some jumbo buttermilk biscuits, the Laura Lynn, that we picked up at Ingles. So I'm going to go ahead and slice these while you're doing that.
Stir the brown sugar really good because you want an ooey, gooey, delicious, buttery mixture.
That's a lot of adjectives. I'm going to cut these biscuits into 6 pieces. So we have our biscuits cut up.
Wow, that was fast.
I know.
I would still be there cutting.
Super fast cutter. All right, so we're going to move our biscuits over here, and we're going to take our muffin tin. What do we do?
We put, what's this?
Well, we're just going to take a scoop, and we're going to put a little bit of the brown sugar butter mixture in the bottom of the muffin tin.
So, I think this is a really good family meal.
I think so too. This is Callie's go-to meal when her grandmother comes down from Tennessee. She makes this every time she's here for breakfast, and it is a big hit. Super good. I'll tell you what, while I finish this, do you want to put the biscuits in here with the sugar and cinnamon?
Yes, can
and
you
get
move that
going
over here, please?
Sure. Yeah, go ahead and do the sugar and the cinnamon and shake that up.
And we've got some white sugar and some cinnamon. Make sure the bag's closed really tightly. You don't want a massive explosion of sugar and cinnamon all over your kitchen.
We speak from experience.
Your parent wouldn't be happy. Okay, I think it's good now.
All right, let's open it and I'll help you throw these guys in.
Okay.
And you can just put them all in here. You want to make sure that you have them separated so the cinnamon and sugar mixture gets on every single piece.
Close it tightly.
Do you want me to do it or do you want to do it?
I'll do it.
Okay.
So you're gonna want to shake your biscuits.
And then you might want to
biscuits.
make sure that they're separated. You can kind of separate them while they're in there. I think we're good.
I think we're great.
Okay, so now we're going.
See, they get stuck in one.
So we're just gonna pull these apart. We're gonna put about 3 or 4 pieces of the biscuit into each muffin tin.
Because we have really big pieces though.
Right. Luckily though, when these heat up, when they cook, they all kind of mesh together. They rise. Does that look good?
That one's good. That one will rise a lot.
And then you can put some of the additional leftover cinnamon and sugar on top. Yeah, these look good. So we're gonna bake these for 12 to 14 minutes in the oven, and we'll be back in just a minute.
See you soon. So I finished these up. When you're plating, you can take some of the extra sugar and put it on top. So guys, remember, cooking is a great way not only to connect with your family, but also connect with where your food comes from and have some fun along the way. So kids, get cooking. Thanks for joining me here at the Ingles table.